This is actually two words, not two words, two phrases, but one is used, I believe, more in Spain and the other one in Latin America. Tronar, tronar los dedos. Okay, so that's the first one. Tronar, tronar los dedos. What does this mean? Tronar los dedos. You probably know what dedos means. Dedos means fingers. Fingers. Los dedos, the fingers or just fingers. And tronar has quite a few meanings. It means to snap. To snap. To, to burst when you snap something as well. And it can mean so many things: to fail, to break up, to pop, specifically a balloon, to burst. It's a very interesting verb, and we can talk about this one in the future. But tronar los dedos means, well, let me tell you what it means. It's a phrase, of course. It's a phrase, and it means snap one's fingers. Oh my God. Let me just remove this. Snap one's fingers like this. Right? And also you can say, or people in Spanish will also say chasquear, not casquear, sorry. Chasquear, chasquear, chasquear. It sounds very good. I like the sound of this verb. Chasquear los dedos. It means the same thing. Chasquear, I believe this one is mostly used in Spain. I'm not entirely sure though, because the Spanish world is really big. But anybody in Spanish, if you say tronar los dedos or chasquear los dedos, they will understand what you mean. And that means snap one's fingers. Just doing this, this impolite thing. Now let's look at some example. María me tronó los dedos. Qué grosera. María me tronó los dedos. Qué grosera. This means Maria snapped her fingers at me. How rude. So yes, it's rude. It's rude, definitely. So if you hear this phrase, that's because something impolite happened, something rude. Okay, María, well, obviously María is a name. Me tronó los dedos. Snapped her fingers at me. Okay. Me tronó. So Maria was like very bad. Maria, very bad. That's not nice. I've never done that. Like, hurry up, move. No, I just, no. I've never done that to anyone. And yeah, it's definitely something rude. When you say qué grosera, that means how rude. Okay. Wow, I see like little emojis floating on the live chat. That's pretty cool. Is that something new? That's pretty cool. Okay, qué grosera means how rude. You're pretty much saying that the person is just a rude person, right? Grosera, we're saying grosera because we're talking about Maria. Maria is feminine, and that's why we're saying grosera. But if you're talking about a man, grosero. Okay? Qué grosero. For example, I could say Miguel. Miguel me tronó los dedos. Qué grosero. And that's correct. But we have Maria. If you have more than one person, you can just say groseros, okay? Groseros. But yeah, that's fine. Me tronó. Me, you know what that means. It means me, or in this situation, at me. Okay. And snapped her fingers, you know, tronó los dedos. You can also say chasqueó. Chasqueó. Chasqueó los dedos. Me chasqueó los dedos. It sounds pretty, I don't know, I like more chasquear, but I've heard more tronar, okay? But both, you can use both verbs. That's completely fine. But yeah, now you know what tronar los dedos means. I cannot do it too loud. I don't think I can. Definitely not with this hand. Maybe because I have this fingerless glove. Yeah. Yes, it's okay. I think it's decent. I can snap my fingers. But anyways, yeah, just be careful with this. Obviously, it's something rude, but now you know how to say it in Spanish. Tronar los dedos, chasquear los dedos. Excellent, excellent.